I'm Gerold Ebenbichler. I'm from the University Department of Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation, Vienna General Hospital, Vienna Medical University. Together with Catarina, Branco, I'm the chair of the Clinical Sciences and Research Committee. The topics of the today's session were a follow-up on the advancements we have made in the development of the PMR, specific clinical evidence-based recommendations for different chronic health conditions. And there were two projects, large, huge projects that were presented in detail. The one was on pain medicine with the perspective of rehabilitation, and the other one was on cancer rehabilitation. I think the most important aspects were that also the evidence-based recommendations were more or less ready 2 years ago, that we had to rethink everything, and we now started by considering more the basic research, the translational research that is available so far, number one, and number two, of how to better deal from the PRM physician's perspective with the complexity of these chronic diseases and the appropriate evidence-based recommendations that can be given, number one, for the assessment, number two, for treatment outcome planning, and the effectiveness of the interventions that can be offered to these patients.
I'm Catarina. Branco. I'm a PRM physician from Portugal. I'm the director from the PRM department in Hospital Feira, and I'm associate professor in the University of Porto. I'm working together as a chair with Gerold Ebenbichler in this committee. And to end his talk and presentation about our works today, I would state that it was linked translation science to clinical science and the importance of these for medical rehabilitation. And as well, we have linked the necessity of crossing and link ICD to functioning and health to strengthen our medical rehabilitation and our position for the diagnosis, for the assessment, for the outcomes, and for the tools we are using to strengthen our interventions as medical doctors in rehabilitation and also as coordinators in the PRM teams.
Altogether, we made wonderful progress within the last year. Also, the evidence-based recommendations are not ready yet to being published. We think that we will have, in addition to those evidence-based recommendations that will be published to the WHO, a speciality-specific approach and papers that will probably complement and stress the importance of the physical medicine and rehabilitation specialty in the rehabilitation of persons with chronic diseases.